Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get paid to surf the web. All right. So you're probably thinking to yourself, like, how? So basically, I'm just going to get paid just to surf the internet. Yes, exactly what I'm talking about. All right. So we're going to get into the content because you know I hate wasting other people's time. All right. So the company that we're going to be talking about today is Lionbridge. Now, Lionbridge has a ton of different job opportunities that they list, right? And you actually have to apply for them, right? They're not like most online companies where if it's just like an automatic approval, right? That's not how this works, right? These are actual jobs. So what I want you to understand first and foremost is that you're going to have to trade time for money to do this, and that's just straight up, right? Now, if you don't have any issues with that and you want to see how you can actually apply for these jobs, then I'll show you that here in a moment. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so you know the company is called Lionbridge, and for these jobs, there isn't any upfront costs or anything like that, so you don't really have to worry about that. It's just an approval process. All right, so let's go over here to the smart crowd and show you exactly how this works. Right now, I'm not going to read all of this, right? I'm just going to read what you need to know about it. All right, so once you start working with this company, you're going to be an independent worker, right? And you're going to have your own home-based job, and it is flexible, right? So I just want to read this part. Flexible workloads that they can control in a single pipeline for incoming work, right? So it's a real home-based job, an actual job, like I said, that will require you to trade your time for money. Okay. All right. This is pretty much what I already said, where it says completing jobs at home on a flexible schedule and in a virtual workplace, right? So pretty much it's a home-based job. The only difference is it's different from like affiliate marketing or network marketing or like, you know, different systems on the internet. This is actually an approval process. Now let me show you exactly how you would go through that process. All right, so this is the how it works page. Now you see this right here where it says job opportunities. If I click on this, you're going to see a map pop up, right? All right, so depending on where you are, now this is what's so good about this, right? If you don't really, you know, want to dip into the affiliate marketing, network marketing, or anything like that that's online, then you can literally come over here, right? You can choose which region you're in. So if you're in this region, this is Asia, if I'm not mistaken. So China, Egypt, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan. All right, and then over here, this is Canada and the US. And then right here, this is Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Mexico, and so on and so on, right? You can see that this is worldwide, right? So I just want to clarify that. So just to kind of get that out of the way. All right, so you know that this is global. Now what you would do is you would choose your region. And since I'm in the US, I'm going to go ahead and choose the United States of America. All right, so in the United States of America, they have a job, something I can apply for, and it's called a US Ads Evaluator. Right now, off the hook, I'm going to tell you that an ads evaluator is someone who's going to be monitoring the ads to make sure the ads, what the ads are presenting is exactly what they're presenting. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. But if you want further clarification, you can literally just come to the website. But I'll actually just do a quick read for you. Right. It says we are looking for dynamic and creative people who have strong communication skills and use the internet daily. The job involves analyzing and providing feedback on online advertisements. So pretty much what I was explaining to you, you're going to be analyzing different ads, right? And letting Google know, or however your process is for work, you're going to be reporting that information back. All right, to let them know, hey, is this advertisement really presenting what it's presenting, right? So that's pretty much how it works, and the same thing goes for a search engine evaluator, right? So when you search content on Google, like usually the first things that pop up when you're searching for something, you want whatever pops up, you want that to actually be the information that you're looking for. So what a search engine evaluator is doing is they're analyzing that content to see, okay, is this content really what the titling that you saw, is it really talking about that, right? And this actually helps like website owners get ranked and a whole bunch of other different things that go on with the search engine, but majority of the time it's to help website owners get ranked and different things like that. All right, so the US Ads Evaluator, and you also have a search engine evaluator, right? They're pretty much the same thing. One just analyzes ads, and then the other one analyzes the search engine. All right. So let me actually go over here and show you the salaries, right? The average salaries that most jobs on LionBridge would have. Okay. So if you see right here, an internet assessor, an hourly contractor, they're going to make on average $13.85 per hour. All right. And then the same with here. This is just an hourly, right? This is not an hourly contractor. They're going to make $13.49 hourly. And then a senior project manager would make $80,000 per year, right? So there's definitely a lot of potential here, guys. If this is something that interests you, let me actually show you, finish the, almost forgot there. Let's go back to this page. Like, let's say I wanted to apply for this. You see how let me go over this real quick again. So I went here and I went to the region I'm in and I clicked it, and then this right here popped up. So if I wanted to apply for this job, all I would do is I would click right here. All right, so right here is going to give you the entire program description, right? And everything, the basic requirements that you would need when you go to apply for this, right? And so this helps you, get the guidelines right. So you're completely squared away. All right. So what you would do, you would scroll down until it says to apply, and then you would hit applicant should apply by clicking here. So I would click here, and then it's pretty much going to be a verbatim process, right? As you can see, some more guidelines that you should probably read. Never skip over this stuff. And then just create yourself a user account. Go ahead and check this box and then hit save and continue. And I'm sure that it's going to take you through the rest of the process of getting signed up. All right. So I just want to make sure I covered everything. Okay, so I talked about the salaries. Also, this is the main site, lionbridge.com. But when it comes to signing up, it's going to take you back. Give me just a second. I think it's the smartcrowd.com. Okay, yes. So the smartcrowd.com is where you're actually going to apply to work for LionBridge. All right. But like I said to you guys in the beginning, first and foremost, this is going to be trading your time for money. If that's something that you're okay with, right? Then fine, you can go through the process of applying here if this is something that interests you. But if you want to learn, how to become a master marketer, right? How to literally get in any business that you want to and go straight to the top, then what I'll do is I'll leave my #1 recommended way to make a full-time income online in the first link in the description. Once you click that link, all you're going to have to do is enter your email, right? Once you enter your email, it'll take you all the way through the rest of the process, right? And if you decide to take action, then I'll definitely be reaching out to you. All right. So if you got value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe, tick the bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.